Imagine an organization that has decided to adopt Scrum. Is Scrum itself their end goal? No, it is simply a means to help them achieve what they truly want. They have four main expectations. First, shorter time to market. Second, lower cost. Third, higher product quality. And fourth, ensuring what they build delivers real value to customers. Looking at these four expectations, AI is a true game changer for the first three, and it can significantly support the fourth as well. Organizations don't really care which framework or methodology you use. They care about achieving their desired expectations. Around 2023, AI became accessible to the general public. Now that the hype has faded, companies realize that if they don't invest in AI, they will lose a major competitive advantage. Imagine a company sees that building the same product with fewer people, faster, and at a higher quality is practically possible. Be honest, would they ignore that huge potential? Absolutely not. Every dollar matters to companies. Hiring a human team member also brings significant responsibilities. For example, imagine it costs around $6,000 per month for each Scrum team member. Now, if they see that leveraging AI costs only a few $100s per month for the same work, they won't hesitate to cut costs as long as it's practical and real. This scenario I have described is quickly becoming the new norm. So, here is the takeaway. AI transformation is inevitable. The only way to secure your job and serve your organizations in a new landscape is to embrace this reality and prepare for the new norm. That's exactly why I designed an advanced course named AI Transformation for Scrum Teams to help organizations and Scrum teams start their AI transformation journey with a solid, practical blueprint. I'm Mehdi Hosseini, a certified trainer with Scrum.org and over 20 years of experience in the software industry. I'm a full-time trainer teaching Scrum.org's high-quality, credible courses, plus my own ones. I put hundreds of hours into creating this unique, advanced, and high-quality course that you cannot find anywhere else for those who want to prepare themselves for the new norm of working in the AI landscape. So, if this is the course that you have been looking for, click below and enroll now.